Hey everybody, let's go through adding a promotion to your Google ad, right? So here's Google Ads, right? So we'll go to the ad itself. We'll click on campaigns. And then let's click on campaign here. Click on ads. Click on the pencil button. That will bring you right to the ad editor. Great. Let's go all the way down until you see more asset types. Then you've got this promotion area over here. Now, I'll show you kind of how I set it up for this particular client. If you click on edit, you can see what was done. I do recommend if you are selling something, or even if you're a leads-based business, this is something that you can include. Typically, think of the 4 P's of marketing: product, price, place. The last one is promotion. So that's something that you want to entice customers with. You want it to reflect the other 3 P's of marketing. It should be a holistic strategy, but people often forget about what their promotion is. What is it that's drawing somebody in? So let's look at this particular promotion that they've included in their ad. So you can choose to edit the promotion here. You can choose the occasion. So Google Ads says that this is an optional field. You can select to include a holiday or special event for your promotion. Each occasion is eligible to show during select dates. They put fall sale for this one. There's all sorts of different ones: Boxing Day, Black Friday, Chinese New Year, Christmas. This is great. So they put fall sale. The language is English, currency USD, and they wrote here that it's for carpet and flooring, right? But the promotion type is a monetary discount. This is an important piece. So we put, you could get up to $1,000 off. Okay. And then what happens here, so we've entered carpet and flooring as the item and up to $1,000 off, it kind of cobbles together the promotion for you. So you can see here's what the ad looks like. Fall sale up to $1,000 off, the item name, carpet and flooring. Promotion details, you can actually drill down. You can give them a promo code in your ad as well. That's pretty cool. You can say on orders over, but in this case, just saying this is absolutely enough. So here's when it starts, September 16th. So this is in the future, actually. Today's September 6th. But then it ends on October 31st. So this will automatically stop showing this particular asset on October 31st. And you can add tracking. So you can add, let's say GA4 stuff there. So I've added like the UTM source, UTM medium, UTM campaign, UTM keyword. You can put all that in there like that. I'm going to leave this one alone, but that's certainly an option. Okay. Hit save, and there you go. So hopefully that's useful. And let me know if you have any questions, but that's a quick way to add that P promotion to your Google ad. And in this case, it is just a regular search ad. Okay. Any questions, let me know. Have a good one. Bye-bye.